Hello, dear fans. How to calculate pressure. Even with a little effort, significant pressure can be created. All that is needed for this is to concentrate this effort on a small area. Conversely, if a significant force is evenly distributed over a large area, the pressure will be relatively small. To find out which one, you have to make a calculation. Instructions. Step 1. Convert all the initial data into SI units, force in newtons, mass in kilograms, area in square meters, etc. Then the pressure after calculation will be expressed in pascals. Step 2. If the problem does not contain a force, but the mass of the load, calculate the force using the following formula: F equals mg, where F is the force, N, m is the mass, kg, g is the acceleration due to gravity, equal to 980,665 m/s superscript 2. Step 3. If the conditions indicate the geometrical parameters of the area on which the pressure is applied instead of the area, first calculate the area of this area. For example, for a rectangle, S equals ab, where S is the area, m superscript 2 is the length, m. B is the width, m. For a circle, S equals pi r superscript 2, where S is the area, m superscript 2, pi is the number pi, 3,141,592,6535, dimensionless value, our radius, m. Step 4. To find out the pressure, divide the force by the area P equals F/S, where P is the pressure, Pa, F is the force, N, S is the area, m superscript 2. Step 5. If necessary, convert the pressure into derived units, kilopascals, 1 kilopascal equals 1000 pascals, or megapascals, 1 MPa equals 1 million pascals. Step 6. To convert pressure from pascals to atmospheres or millimeters of mercury, use the following ratios. 1 atm equals 101,325 pascals equals 760 millimeters of mercury, art. Step 7. During the preparation of accompanying documents for goods intended for export, it may be necessary to express pressure in pounds per square inch, psi pounds per square inch. In this case, be guided by the following ratio: 1 psi equals 6,894, 75,729 pascals. Thanks for watching.